In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Business Profile. A Google Business Profile is your company's free listing on Google, and it helps you control how your business appears in Google Search and on Google Maps. It's a valuable tool for local visibility because it allows customers to find your business, read reviews, check your hours, and learn more about what you offer. To get started, sign in to the Google account you want to use for managing the business. Then go to the Google Business Profile page and select Manage Now. From there, search for your business name. This is an important first step because your business may already exist in Google's directory even if you've never created a profile yourself. If your business appears in the search results, choose the option to claim the business. If it doesn't appear, select the option to add your business to Google. This lets you either take control of an existing listing or create a brand new one from scratch. Next, begin entering your key business details carefully. Start with your business name and make sure it matches your real legal business name. Consistency matters here, especially for trust and local search accuracy. After that, choose your business category. Try to be as specific as possible so Google can better understand what your business does and show it to the right audience. Then add your location and service area information. If customers visit you at a physical location, enter your street address. If you travel to customers instead, you can list the cities or regions you serve and keep your home address hidden. This is especially useful for service-based businesses that don't operate from a storefront. You'll also need to add your business contact information, including a phone number and website. Make sure these details are current and easy for customers to use. Accurate contact information improves both customer experience and credibility. After that, you'll move on to verification. Google requires this step to confirm that your business is legitimate. Depending on your business type and what Google allows, you may be asked to verify by phone, email, postcard, or a short video showing your location, signage, or work equipment. Follow the verification instructions exactly and complete the method offered to you. Once your business is verified, take some time to customize your profile. Add your operating hours, write a clear business description of up to 750 characters, and upload high-quality photos. Good photos can make a strong first impression and help customers feel more confident about choosing your business. That's how to set up a Google Business Profile. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a professional listing that's ready to help more local customers find you online.